sound, sense. Do you know how to say a word that starts with letter C? C-A-N-A-D-A. Canada. Oops. C-A-N-A-D-A. Canada? It's correct. C-A-N-A-D-A is pronounced as Canada. How do I know? I tell you a secret. In English, letter C produces two sounds. C as S and C as K. Now let's learn letter C as S. When C comes directly before the letters E, I or Y, we use S sound. For example, place. Here C is pronounced as S as it comes directly before E. One more example, peace. P-I-E-C-E. Here again C comes directly before E, so it is pronounced as S. City. You guessed it right, as C comes directly before I, so it is pronounced as S. City. Now letter C as K. When C is not followed directly by E, I or Y, it is pronounced as K. CALIPH, as C is not followed by E, I or Y. COURTROOM, courtroom. Here C is not followed by E, I or Y. That's why it gives K sound. One more example, candle. C-A-N-D-L-E. It also follows the same rule, as C is not followed directly by E, I or Y, so it is pronounced as K. I hope you have understood. Thank you.